So, welcome to SakshiEducation.com. Today, we are going to discuss the regional current affairs of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The news held from 21st to 28th February 2018. So, very first is Telangana state and Taiwan. The government of Taiwan has signed a memorandum of understanding for better technology partnership on 21st February 2018. So, this technology partnership MOU was signed during World Congress on Information Technology, which was held in Hyderabad of Telangana, and it is signed in presence of Telangana IT Minister KT Ramarao and Robert Hong of Taiwan Board. So, this World Congress on IT Information Technology was held in Hyderabad of Telangana. So, this is very important for TSPSC examinations. And CM KCR announces rupees 5 lakh insurance cover to each farmer in Telangana state. So, this will be given from 2018 onwards along with a subsidy given to the farmers. So, scheme it to be implemented yet like Raitu Bandhu, which is a brainchild of CM KCR to offer cash subsidy to the farmers. So, along with this scheme, a life insurance scheme to the agriculture laborers or agriculture farmers is also to be announced, and it is estimated that nearly 70 lakh farmers are there in Telangana state, and all these 70 lakh farmers are going to cover nearly this 5 lakh insurance, which is helpful for their health as well as even after the death. And this insurance is being transferred to the nominee. In case of the death of a farmer, the farmer nominee will get the 5 lakh insurance within 10 days of his death. And this kind of questions will be asked in the TSPSC and APPSC examinations. So, nowadays from the factual based, the examiner is asking the conceptual based, the statement based questions. So, when the statement questions are there, so 2-3 points will be asked in the same question. So, whether it is being transferred to nominee or not, or else within how many days this will be claimed, the 5 lakh insurance will be claimed by the nominee in case of a death of a farmer, or in case of a health insurance. So, how he can claim this? So, these kind of questions will be asked, and this is the first time that a 5 lakh insurance is offered in a country for a farmer. The next is Bio Asia Summit was being held in Hyderabad, that is 15th edition of Bio Asia, the annual flagship event of Government of Telangana, which was held on February 22nd to 24th of 2018. So, it was held in Hyderabad with the theme Right Time, Right Now, and this focuses on strategies to keep up with the phase of change and innovative ways to develop new models for distribution and healthcare delivery. So, the main objective of this Bio Asia is to deliver right health to the people. So, right time, right now is the theme of Bio Asia Summit, which was held in Hyderabad, and this is the 15th edition of Bio Asia. And 21st National Conference on E-Governance was held in Hyderabad on 26th and 27th of February 2018, and it is being organized by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievance jointly with the Telangana government. The theme of this National Conference on E-Governance is Technology for Accelerating Development. And the final one is in the Andhra Pradesh, CII Partnership Summit was held in Visakhapatnam. So, the Confederation of Indian Industries summit was held in Visakhapatnam, and the government of Andhra Pradesh has made the partnership for developing innovative things in Andhra Pradesh state. This is all the news of the regional affairs, and we will discuss some more current affairs for the next session. Thank you.